Monero, Monero, Monero! Guys, what's up? It's Lark here again. I wanted to do a quick video on Monero for you guys. The price is just going up and up and up and up and up, and I thought, hey, it's a good time to talk about it. You know, the situation's changed a lot since last week. So, quick shout out, as always, to everyone who's smashing up that like button and, subscribing to the channel, guys. I really, really love all that support. And, of course, quick disclaimer, this is not professional financial advice. This is just, one man and his passion for cryptocurrencies. So, guys, Monero, absolutely amazing high prices, pushing up, 141 and above. Now, it's not the highest price it's been at yet. That was 145. We achieved that, 147.23 actually we achieved the other day. So, no, sorry, I did break the 150 mark. We did break the 150 mark just there. So we have seen higher prices just yesterday. Just yesterday we saw $150. Now it's down a little bit on the day at 141, but it's pumping back up again. The question then becomes, how high can it go? Well, that's an interesting question. Probably a lot higher, considering it has got a very, very low circulating supply, and it's a very strong project. Right? The having the ability to have anonymous transactions is really powerful. Really, really powerful. We're going to see Dash and Monero, of course, they're already taking off massively. Pivx is going to pick up next. Verge is probably going to hit, at some point in the near future too. Might not be a bad one to pick up. Well, it's like a penny each. So, even though I did a video about Verge where I said, I don't know about Verge, guys. I'm going to give it a miss. I am going to give it a miss. I'm not going to get any Verge, but, it might be one of the next ones to pick up. But everyone's investing in the big boys right now. And that money will eventually flow down the chart a little bit back here, but we're talking about Monero today. We're not talking about the other guys, so let's keep our focus here. Monero 141.92. That is awesome. If you had bought Monero 7 days ago, you would have made. Is that 7 days ago? Was that when that happened? Man, I'm losing touch with reality. 9 days ago. 9 days ago. Yeah, 9 days ago. If you'd bought went out and spent $500, bought 10 Monero, you would have made a lot of money. A lot of money, guys. You would have made $100 per Monero you bought. That's pretty damn good. Now, I think a lot of the gains have been made, but we're going to see some steady progression upwards for Monero. Seeing a price point of 200 or much more potentially. It's probably going to go much higher than that by the end of the year. Would not surprise me at all. Would not surprise me at all, guys. So I don't see personally. I don't think we're going to get back down below 100 unless they have a pretty big market retracement overall, which is when, if Bitcoin goes down and everything goes down a bit, because of course these do follow those kind of trends, the altcoins. So if we see Bitcoin heading back down, we might see Monero head back down quite a bit as well. But currently, I don't see with this kind of market going, it's going to go back below 100. In fact, I think we're only going to go up with Monero, again, considering that low circulating supply and the ability of Monero to be transacted in an anonymous fashion. So that's really good. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, wow, I kind of missed the boat on buying Monero. Well, yeah, I think we all did. And I've never been a giant Monero proponent necessarily. I like the idea, and I think it's great. I'm a Dash fan, you guys probably know if you watch the videos. But Monero is a great coin. It really, really is. I've got a lot of respect for Monero, and it's got a great community behind it. So, buying at 141, though, I mean, like I said, we're going to see a lot of growth on Monero, but I'm not 100% positive it's the best buy at, all-time high prices. But, there's a lot of money to be made if you are going to be trading or, even just investing in it. I think Monero, like I said, is going to be 200 in the near term. But again, it's all just speculation, guys. All just speculation. That's just based on circulating supply and, basically demand staying high for these, anonymous private coins like this. Now, the difficulty chart, one thing you might be thinking of is, okay, well, if I'm not going to go buy it, can I mine it? Well, yeah, you can mine it. Mining Monero hasn't been very profitable for a very long time. The difficulty's been high, and the price of Monero was low. So if you had bought a cloud mining contract for Monero a couple weeks ago, you would have been losing money instantly. Right? But now actually, we had a big dip back down of the difficulty there. Now the difficulty is about here, but the price is so high in comparison. Mining Monero has finally become profitable, which I'm pretty impressed by, actually. So if you were to spend $819, I guess it'd be, what would that be? A little under $700 if you use the old 3% discount code there. That would give you pretty decent returns, to be honest. $400 in the year, and of course it's a 2-year contract if you do go over here on Genesis Mining and pick up some Monero. So not bad, and you will get payouts, of course, in that second year too. But the one real caveat before everyone runs off and buys a bunch of mining contracts over at Genesis Mining to mine Monero, the one thing to really keep in mind is that difficulty, guys. You're really basing this on two things: that the difficulty is not going to absolutely skyrocket, because that can definitely happen overnight, guys. Let's just that's actually not going to show me there. I just want to show you one thing real quick: the Dash mining difficulty, because this is a case study in how things can get really crazy really quickly. So this is Dash mining. Look at what's happened, guys. It has gone absolutely out of control, Dash mining. Now it's gone down a little bit actually in the past few days, but it's going to go back up. So be really, think it out before you go off and buy yourselves some cloud mining contracts. Currently they are profitable, 110%. They are definitely a profitable contract to get if you do want to get involved in that. But keep in mind the difficulty is going to go up, and the price may go back down a little bit. Although I think we are going to see Monero being a much more valuable coin in the not so distant future. If you got a $200 Monero, man, you're really killing it on that mining contract then. And there are no ASICs. For Monero, so there's Bitmain's not going to come out with something tomorrow that's going to explode the Monero market. You will be quite profitable on that for quite a while. So all things to think about, but let us not forget the lesson of Dash, because holy cow, that made basically that made Dash mining contracts over on Genesis basically worthless. So just do have a good think about that. If you believe that the price is going to stay ahead of the difficulty, well, then you're winning on one of these contracts over here. So that is something for you guys to think about. And of course, if you do want to go over there and grab some of that, hit my 3% discount code down below, guys. It really helps out, of course. Anyway, guys, that's all from the Crypto Lark. Let me know, are you going to be mining some Monero? Do you think it's still profitable to mine Monero, or is it too risky moving forward? Be really keen to hear what you guys think on that. Anyway, that's all from the Crypto Lark, guys. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.